Service supply chain, service supply. Okay, supply chain, time's up. Next, engineering tigers. Service na engineering.
Shoutout Sherry, asa naman ka Sherry? Maragwa palay ka dito sir. Palagi pa po sir. Ayong gabi mga idol. Live sa direron sa IPI Tingob Mandawi para sa atong championship Women's Volleyball Engineering Tigers versus Supply Chain Dragons mga idol. At ang inyong mga idol, maglugo tayo sa dilimang lugar.
Gentlemen, welcome to the grand finale. The moment we've all been waiting for. It's the 2025 Paugnak Women's Volleyball Championship Games.
Idol. Idol.
Tonight, two powerhouses teams face off in a battle for glory, grit, and greatness. So FYI, third meet na nila sa
Shoutout Idol Race Daryl Dihan. Palagi share naman sa live mga idol.
Will the supply chain
All Bahinam Championship Supply Chain versus Engineering Women's Volleyball. At ang iba dito na next game niya, taod mga idol, humananing maong duwa. Asan Pride versus Supply Chain Men's Volleyball mga idol. Palagi share naman mga idol. Salamat.
Everyone to please stand up for the opening prayer.
Sir, dua mo repeat. Dua. Dua. Yapon usar lagi. Yapon usar lagi wala pa sa. Wala pa sa ibang tuloy. Usar menon.
Heavenly Father, as I enter this workplace, I believe your presence with me. I speak with you, your grace, your mercy, and your perfect order into my work. I acknowledge your power over all that will be done, spoken, thought, and decided within these walls. I commit to you the responsibility in your army. Give me a fresh supply of strength to do my job. Anoint my projects, ideas, and energy, so that even my smallest accomplishment may bring you glory. Lord, when I am confused, please guide me. When I am weary, energize me. When I am burned out, infuse me with the light of the Holy Spirit. May the work that I do and the way I do it bring faith, joy, and a smile to all that I come in contact with today. Lord, please help me to be focused and productive today. And when I leave this place, give me traveling mercy, bless my family and home, to be in order around us. Lord, I thank you for everything you've done, everything you are doing, and everything you are going to do. Lord, I thank you for the gift you have blessed me with. In the name of Jesus, I pray, with much love and thanksgiving. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Remain standing for the Lupang Nirang. Alright. So before we start, atong pagtatagsaon ng tawag ng atong team. So if we call on your name, your last name, please atong sa court. So mag-start there is the red corner. In the red corner, sharp, strategic, and always in sync, the queens of coordination, the unstoppable force, the Supply Chain Dragons. First up, number 12, Tango. Number 3, Kasam. Number 9, Incaliado. Number 5, Bortano. Number 10, Canonio. Number 7, Capordan. Number 8, Rivera. Number 6, Labajo. Number 4, Maglasan. Number 2, Mancera. And number 1, Saron. And in the yellow corner, fierce, fearless, and full of fire, the masters of momentum, the pride of precision, the Engineering Tigers. Number 3, Ronquillo. Number 10, Siroy. Number 8, Galvez. Number 29, Mendoza. Number 5, Enriquez. Number 7, Comendador. Number 20, Baton. Number 25, Ochea. Number 0, Cartagena. And number 18, Arsenal. Sige, shake hands. Shake hands, both teams. The both teams have won their way through the bracket, leaving everything on the court, and now only one will leave as champion. So buckle up, fans. Let's play championship volleyball game. So first, let's start with Engineering Tigers. Number 29, Mendoza. Number 5, Enrique. Number 7, Comendador. Number 25, Oceania. Number 0, Cartagena. And number 18, Arsenal. For the supply chain versus number 9, Encaliado. Number 7, Caberdan. Number 6, Cabao. Number 4, Maglasang. Number 2, Mancera. And number 1, Sarol. First serve, Supply Chain Dragon. Before na mag-start, please, huwag mo lang sa linya. Anong puti? Ismalapat mo, Burbit. Kanan. Huwag mo lang sa linya, players. Kaniwag sa linya. And as well as audience, nasa bang please book pass naman. Okay, batin mo dagan ng players, baka ba-igo sa inyo ha. Number 4, Maglasang. Serving.
Okay, let's get ready to rumble mga idol eh.
Nice receive. Free ball, catch one. Nice receive. Nice set. Nice run. Oh, first point for Supply Chain Dragons. Serving. Nice receive. Shot ball. Nice hit. Attack by Sarol. Receive. Cartagena. Shot ball. Supply Chain. Set. And run. Nice receive. Bring pa muna. Shot ball by Supply Chain. Nice shot. Receive by Cartagena. Shot ball by Sarol. Number 7, Comendador. First point for Engineering Tigers. Serving. Nice team. Nice set. Attack with the ball. Nice ball. 2 points for Engineering Tigers. 25, Ochea. Serving. Nice receive. Nice set. Nice attack. And nice receive by Engineering Tigers. Nice set. Attack again by Sarol. Nice receive by Engineering Tigers. Score 2-all. Number 2, Mancera. Serving. Nice receive by Cartagena. Nice drop. 1 point for Engineering Tigers. 3 against 2. 29.
Let's go. Score 3 against 2 in favor of Supply Chain. Sa the first seat.
Service not over. Number 9, Incaliado. Serving. Jump ball for Supply Chain. Favor of Engineering Tigers. Number 8.
Palekasyon naman sa live mga idol. May gabi kayo pag-usap diyan. Fighting for champion ng mga idol. Engineering Tigers versus Supply Chain Dragons.
Nice serve. Nice to see by Supply Chain. Nice attack. Nice set. Start the hand out to the drop. Sarap with the receive. 1 point for Engineering Tigers. That's 5 against 3 in favor of Engineering Tigers. 18 Yapon Arsenal. Serving. Nice receive. Jump ball for Engineering. Nice step. Start the hand out to the attack. Sarap with the receive. Double down raises jump ball. Again for the hand and drop. Nice receive by Supply Chain. Nice set. Attack by Saron. Receive again by Arsenal. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Arsenal. Saron next. Nice receive by Supply Chain. Saron for the attack. Arsenal for the receive. One point for Supply Chain. Score 4 against 5. Still in favor of Engineering. Serving number 1, Sarol. Nice receive by Arsenal. Nice attack by Supply Chain. Inside. Score 6 against 4. Number 7, Comendador. Serving. Away. Number 7, Caporcan. Serving. Nice serve. Nice receive by Engineering. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Nice set. Attack by Supply Chain. Nice receive by Engineering. Another chance ball for Supply Chain. Set. Attack. Receive. Another set and attack for the Engineering Tigers. Good receive by Sarol. Set ahead of the game. Sarol receive. The super spike. Score 7 against 5. Number 5, Enriquez. Serving. Receive by Supply Chain. Jump ball for Engineering. Nice receive. Set. Again for Yota Arenas. Receive by Capordan. Set. Attack. Inside. Score 6 against 7 in favor of Engineering Tigers. 6 Labajo. Serving. Received by Catarenas. Set. Jump ball for Supply Chain. Capordan with a receive. Engineering again. Supply Chain with a jump ball. Attack! Inside for Supply Chain Dragons. 4. 7 all. Timeout, Engineering Tigers. First timeout. This game is sponsored by
Banana.
IPI, Omega Boxing Gym, Casino Ethyl Alcohol. Back to the ball game. Number 6, Labao. Serving. Nice to see by engineering. Short line. Score 8 against 7 in favor of Supply Chain Dragon.
Score 8 against 7 in favor of Supply Chain. Not out. Oh, sige, missing mood. Wala nakakuha lugar lagi. Pero sa basket, para sa basket. Ano, pada, live ka. Live ka nakita no. Live ka, nanguha kang saging. Halukan.
Labaho. Serving. Nice to see by Catarinas. Catarinas.
Shout out Barian Amon. Ngayong gabi, palike and share naman sa live mga idol.
Labaho again. Serving. Service not over. Score. Engineering Tigers. 9 against 8.
9 against 8 mga idol.
Serving. Number 0. Catarinas. Nice to see. Nice set. Attack. Nice to see by engineering. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Nice drop. Nice drop by engineering. Received by engineering again. Set. Nice attack. Good receive by Supply Chain. Nice receive by engineering. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Nice set for engineering. Attack by Arsenal. Received by Saron. Nice set. Attack for Supply Chain, but the receive the engineering. Saron with the receive. It's Caliano with the set. Number 2 attack. The receive upon engineering. Saron again. Set. And attack. The receive engineering. Buuin pa ang bola. Nice in favor of the Supply Chain Dragon. Maglasang. Serving. Nice receive by engineering. Received by Supply Chain. Italiano with a set. Saron with the attack. Arsenal with a receive. And the goal ang set. Score 11 against 8.
Score 11-8 mga idol in favor of Supply Chain. Shout out Patentes Junior. John Patentes.
Serving.
12-8 mga idol at score. Palagay siya naman sa live, mga idol. Daghang salamat sa inyong
But
suporta.
last time again. Serving. Nice receive by engineering. Chance ball for supply chain. Chance ball for engineering. Score.
13-8 mga idol ang score. 13-8 atong score in favor of supply chain.
Again, ang score is 13-8 in favor of supply chain dragons.
Ay, Ma'am Rit. Shoutout. Shoutout, Ma'am Rita.
Shout out sa tanang fans na naano ni Karon. And to Bruno Mars sa pag-live ani adulak. Service not over.
Score.
4-9 against
13, 9.
Engineering Tiger.
Sorry, wala ito lang kita, no? 9-13 ang score in favor of supply chain.
Serving. Nice receive by Sarol. Italiano with the threat. Sarol with the attack. Cartagena with the receive. Arsenal! Nice score.
14-9 at score. 9-14.
In favor of the Black Dragons.
Salamat sa mga nag-share sa live na. Daghang salamat sa inyong suporta mga idol. Mayong gabi kanyang tanan.
Bandera. Received by engineering. Nice attack. And score.
Score 14-10.
Tigers.
10-14 at score. In favor of supply chain.
Mendoza. Serving.
Score 14-11.
14. Time out. Supply Chain Dragons.
Shout out Nick Angeli. Shout out Gladys Bajan. Shout out AJ Verano Langtamon. Mayong gabi mga idol. Dahan salamat sa mga pa-shout out. Ayaw kang talas sa live.
Raise your hand na lang.
Shout out sa mga idol na nagtala sa live.
Kala po, post mo naman, sa lang.
29 Mendoza. Serving. Nice service. Nice receive by supply chain. Chance ball for supply chain. Attack received by engineering. Another chance ball for supply chain. Sarang with the attack. Nice receive. And score. Nice attack by Sarol.
Score 15-11. In favor of supply chain dragons mga idol.
Nice Italiano. Nice receive by engineering. Attack by Labajo. And nice one. Nice receive by Arsenal. Sarol with the receive again. Italiano. Nag-ulit na attack. Pero tuwid na yapon. Set. Attack by engineering. Receive by supply chain. Chance ball for engineering. Nice set. Attack. Nice.
Shoutout Kinit Labide. Shoutout Idol. Shoutout Pauline Ann Sinadhan Martel. Mayong gabi. Nice one, engineering from Pauline Ann Sinadhan.
Serving. Nice serve. Arsenal again. Catarena. Zarol. Encallado. Nice attack by. Score. 16 against 12 in favor of Sublime Pink Dragon. Number 1, Zarol. Serving. Nice receive by Engineering. Set. Attack by Labao. Nice receive again by Engineering. Set. And attack. Good job. Engineering with the receive. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Attack. Supply Chain. Away. Bola. Score 13 against 16.
The score is 16-13 in favor of Supply Chain. Dragons.
Attack by Supply Chain. Score 17 against 13 in favor of
Wala pa, first set pa lang ito mga idol, no? First set pa lang ito.
Serving. Nice receive by Engineering. Attack by Calarenas. Kapordan with the receive. Lapao with the attack. Receive by Calarenas. Iyan ka po ng attack. Nice receive. Back na score.
Shoutout to Marlo Estiva Cabresos. Mayong gabi, idol.
Still in favor of Supply Chain Dragons. Number 5, Enriquez. Serving. Nice receive. Attack by Supply Chain. Receive by Engineering. Sarol with the attack. Nice set. That's all. Pero nag-work niya po. Set. Attack by Supply Chain. Receive by Engineering. Another good set. Nice receive by Supply Chain. Attack again. Away! Bola! Score 17 against 15.
17-15 na the score. In favor of Supply Chain Dragon.
Serving. Zarol with the receive. Encallado with the set. Nice attack by Supply Chain. Nice attack again by Engineering. Encallado with the set. Attack with Supply Chain. Nice set by Score Supply Chain Dragon. 18 against 15. Lapao. Serving. Nice receive by Arsenal. Nice attack. Nice set. Pag-receive niya mo ng Engineering. Nice set. And attack by Cancela. Receive by Engineering. Possible chance ball for Supply Chain. Nice attack. Receive by Engineering. Nice set. Nice attack. Nice receive by Supply Chain. Sarol. Engineering with the chance ball. Na-atras ang set. But receive the Supply Chain. Supply Chain attack. Good receive by Engineering. Possible chance ball for Supply Chain. Good drop. Nice set. Chance ball again. The attack is Supply Chain. Another set. Attack by the Rebel. Oh, score 19 against 16. Number 6, Labao. Serving.
Score 20 against 15 in favor of Supply Chain mga idol.
Labajo. Serving. Nice serve. Nice drop. Step and attack.
Score 21-16.
Substitution for engineering. Libaton out. Comentador. Score 21 against 15 in favor of Supply Chain Dragon.
Shout out Irene Magsakay diyan sa Atbang, no?
Serving.
Miss Irene Magsakay.
Score 21 in favor of Supply Chain Dragon. Number 3 is the shot. Maki number 3. Kapundar number 7. Barricado! Labajo. Serving. Receive by Arsenal. Nice set. Nice attack by Engineering. Nice drop by Supply Chain.
Score 22-15.
Reminding again, players and audience, di malapas sa linya. Serving. Nice receive by Engineering, nice set. Attack by Catalina. Barricado with the receive. Arsenal with the receive, nice set. Attack again by Engineering, Parol with the receive. Mancera. Score, match point again, 15. Again, Labajo. Serving. Arsenal with the receive. Mendoza with the attack.
First set, winner mga idol, Supply Chain.
Congratulations. Change court, change court. Again, let's recognize our managers present here today, tonight rather. Sir Demi of Warehouse Department. Sir Stuart Mendoza of ACG. PPD Sir Sherwin Santico of Analytics. Bob Bibi of Purchasing. The legend, Bob Bibi Lauron. And of course, head of logistics, Ma'am Rita Donde. Time check, 7:34. Kung naman sobra, mukha na po na ang committee table daw. Atong i-greet tanan ka birthday karon.
Shout out Jason Culaw. Pala kayo sila sa mga live. Atong live mga idol. Daghang salamat. Shout out sa mga taga-engineering department. Yan naman natin sa live. Ang ilabi lagi sa Supply Chain Dragons mga idol. Atake pa nyo itong second game. Fighting for champion mga idol. Supply chain versus in Sun Pride mga idol. Means volleyball.
Again, sa bago lang natapos. Padung na sa set 2, set 1, winner, Supply Chain Dragon. Serving. Second set, number 1, Kalikot Palayo Supply Chain. Number 3, 2, 9, 1, 4, and 8. Engineering 0, 7, 29, 18, 25, and 5. Number 0.
Shout out me, Angelica.
Serving.
Hi ma'am, good evening. Okay, second set na mga idol.
Number 2, Mancera. Serving. Serving. Not over. Score 1-all. Serving. Number 7, Comendador. Leo with the receive. Sarol with the attack. Cartagenas with the receive. As well as the attack. 1 point.
Score 2-1 in favor of engineering.
Again, number 7, Comendador. Serving. Nice receive by Supply Chain. Nice receive by Engineering. Paring Leo with the receive. Saron with the attack. Nice receive by Engineering. Arsenal with the attack. Saron with a snap and attack. Not sure. Score
3-1. 3-1 score na ito mga idol in favor of engineering.
Comendador. Serving. Paring Leo with the receive. One last na short.
Score
Ang attack.
4-1.
Timeout, Supply Chain Dragon. That's your first timeout. Score 4-1 in favor of Engineering Tigers. Back to the whole game. Number 7, Comendador. Serving. Nice serving. Servicing. Substitution.
Score 5-1 in favor of engineering.
Comendador. Serving. Kapurdan with a receive. Nice. But it's still in favor of engineering.
5-2 on the score.
Tiger, sorry. Nice service, but that's received by engineering Tigers. 4-6 against 2.
6-2 on the
In
score.
favor of engineering Tigers. 29, Mendoza. Serving. Nice serve. Nice receive. Score engineering Tigers.
7-2 on the score.
7 against 2. Comendador again. Serving. Away. Mendoza dia nag-serve dito sa Comendador. Sarol. Serving. Nice to see by Arsenal. Check ball. Check ball for supply chain. Mount Joy. Nice attack. But nice to see by engineering. Chance ball for supply chain. Potential chance ball for engineering. Arsenal. But not for
Score 7-4.
Supply chain Dragons. 7 against 4. Still in favor of engineering Tigers. Sarol. Serving. Nice to see. Set. Jack ball for supply chain. Kapurdan with an attack. Nice receive. Attack. Receive again by engineering. Drop by Arsenal. Score for engineering Tigers.
Score 8-4.
8 against 4. Still in favor of engineering
Shout out
Tigers.
niya Christia M. Dandoy. Go engineering Tigers.
18, Arsenal. Serving. Sarol with the receive. Sarol again. To the attack. Nice receive.
Score 8-5 in favor of engineering Tigers.
Score for supply chain Dragons. 5 against 8. In favor of engineering Tigers. Baglasan. Serving. Away. Ambola. Score 9 against 5. In favor of engineering Tigers. Received by Andres. Italiano. Kapurdan with an attack.
Score
Kapurdan.
8-6 mga idol. Shout out G-Phone from me Angelica.
9 against 6. In favor of engineering Tigers.
Shout out Ma'am Wing. May gabi na Ma'am Wing.
Serving. Based on intention for engineering Tigers. Ang score 9 against 7.
Dawag sa first set ang supply chain mga idol. Oh. Second set na.
Rivera again. Serving. Nice receive. Nice set and attack. Nice receive and supply chain.
Score 9-8 mga idol.
Rivera
9-8 ang score.
serving. Nice receive. Nice drop. But still nice receive to supply chain. Engineering with a set play. Cadarena to the attack. Nice to see again. Catarenas again. Score 9-all.
Score 9-all mga idol. Tabla ito score. Pwede.
Serving. Service. Not over.
Score 10-9.
In favor of Engineering Tigers. Nice set. Nice shot. Down to Flying Pink Dragon.
Score 11-9.
Score 11 against 9. Still in favor of Engineering Tigers.
Go Dragons.
Serving.
From Mom Wing.
Nice receive. Nice drop. Nice receive again by Cutter. Miscommunication. Score 10 against 11 in favor of Engineering Tigers. Timeout. Engineering Tigers. First timeout by Engineering Tigers. Time check, 7:47.
Shout out Real Nathan Pindon Diniega. Good evening everyone. Fighting for champion women's volleyball Sopechina versus Engineering.
Nice receive by Enriquez. Nice set. Attack by Cartagena. Receive again by Engineering.
Shout out yes, Kinit Labedes Motor Pool from Real Nathan May Pindon Diniega rather.
Score 11-all. Kaportan again.
Let's go!
Service. Nice receive. Short. And attack.
11-10 ang score. 11-10.
Service not over.
12-10 ang score. Sato second set. 12 all. 12 all rather.
Cartagena's
12 all rather.
serving.
Second set na mga idolo. First set daw na kanina ang win. Ang supply chain.
Serving. Lead change again.
Shout out Destiny Vergara Fernandez.
In favor of Engineering Tigers. Substitution. In Labajo, out Rivera. 0. Cartagena. Serving. Nice service. Away. Umbrella. Score 13 all.
Score 13 all. Tabla atong score.
Serving. Engineering with the receive. Mendoza with a set. Nice attack. Nice receive by Supply Chain. Mendoza again. Cartagena's chance ball for Supply Chain. Nice set. And attack. Received by Cartagena's. Enriquez with the attack. Sarel with the attack again. Sarel. Supply Chain. 14 against 13. Lead change again. Marcelo with the service. Receive. Arsenal with the attack. Italiano to Sarol. Nice attack by Sarol.
Shoutout Elisa Montoyan. Team ni nilang Vanessa og Liam Van. Yes.
Serving. Nice receive by engineering. Nice set. Nice attack, but nice receive by supply chain. Attack again. Away. Angola. Score 14 against 15 in favor of supply chain.
14-15 natin score in favor of supply chain.
Comendador.
Dragon.
Serving. Nice service. Set. Attack. Nice receive by Cartagena. Receive. Nice set by supply chain. Short lang ang attack. Score again. 15 all.
Score 15 all.
Number 7 again, Comendador. Serving. Serving.
Score 16-15 in favor of supply chain. Palayagan sila sa live mga idol.
Number 9, Italiano.
Shoutout Manolat Zunar. Uwan, boss.
Nice receive by Cartagena.
Pero nagundang na atong uwan. Undang na.
Nice attack by Cartagena. Kapulan with the receive. Nice attack.
Shout out part Arnel Caniedo.
Drop by Arsenal. Receive by Sarol. Score Engineering Tigers.
Shout out sa mga taga SBP Bistik Brother. Shout out mga referee no. Bap sa
29.
Danao chapter.
Mendoza. Serving.
Second set ni mga idol no.
Nice attack.
First set winner ito kayo na ang supply chain.
By supply chain Dragons. Another lead chain. 17 against 6 in favor of Engineering Tigers. Mendoza. Serving. Nice service. Nice set. Lampaw with the attack. Mendoza with the attack. Kapunan with the service. Ball still alive. Enriquez. Lampaw with the receive. Nice set. Okay, the receive score for supply chain Dragons. 17 all. Saron. Serving. Nice receive. Cartagena to the attack. Saron receive. Nice set. Kapordan with the attack. Nice receive. Possible chance ball for supply chain. Chance ball for engineering. Received by supply chain. Chance ball for engineering. Nice set. Arsenal with the attack. Received by Saron. Labao with the attack. Received by Mendoza. Enriquez with the set. Arsenal. Nice attack by Arsenal. Score. Engineering Tigers. 18 against 17.
18 against 17 ang score mga idol in
Lead
favor of
chain again. Engineering.
engineering.
Tigers. Arsenal with a set of service. Labao with the attack. Enriquez, nice set. Cartagena,
Score 18 all.
Score 18 all.
Score 18 all.
Maglasa. Serving. Ball is still alive. Nice set. Mendoza with attack. Nice receive by Saron. Mancera. Mendoza again. Received by supply chain. Nice set. Mancera with attack. Nice attack by Mancera. Another lead chain. 19 against 18. Supply chain Dragons. Maglasa. Serving. Nice steal by Mendoza.
score 20 against 18 in favor of Supply Chain.
Maglasan again. Serving. Nice to see by Mendoza. Enriquez. Nice attack by Mendoza.
Score 20, 19. 19-20 other score in favor of Supply Chain.
Ochea. Serving. Received by Supply Chain. Possible chance ball for Engineering. Nice set. Attack by Cartagena. Received by Supply Chain. Mancero with the attack. Enriquez with the set. Cartagena.
Score 21, 19.
Score 21 against 19 in favor of Supply Chain Dragons. Labajo. Serving. Received by Cartagena. Enriquez with a drop. Received. Now bounce back for a drop. For Supply Chain Dragons. 22 against 19. In favor of the opponent, the Supply Chain Dragons. Labajo. Serving. Cartagena to the split. Enriquez with the set. Cartagena to the attack. Score.
Score 21, 20.
Score 20 against 22.
22 against 20 mga idol, 22 against 20 in favor of Supply Chain.
Enriquez. Serving. Carrero with the receive. Italiano with the set. Mancero with the attack. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Nice set. Caportal with the attack. Caportal again with the receive. Nice set. Receive by Engineering still alive. Sarol. Italiano.
Grabe Caportal eh. Score 23, 20.
In favor of Supply Chain Dragons. Reminder again sa players kung wala pa sa linya. Caportal. Serving. Service. Not over. Score 21
Score 21, 23 in favor of us. Supply Chain.
Nice. Service. Service.
Score 23-22.
Time out. Supply Chain Dragons. Score 23 against 22. In favor of Supply Chain Dragons.
Palagay siya naman sa live mga idol sa mga pag-operator na sa live. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan.
Engineering number 2.
Fighting for champion. Engineering Tigers versus Supply Chain Dragons. Set 2 na natin mga idol. First set na ito ka winner ang kuhan. Supply Chain.
Nice service. Another service.
Score, tabla. Atay score, 23.
Score 23 all.
23 all.
Set 2 pa rin siya. Set 1, Supply Chain Dragons sa nakalaw. Serving. Nice service. Receive by Sarol. Italiano with a set. Mancera attack. Enriquez receive.
Score, 24-23.
Score match point against 22.
Okay, second set winner ang supply chain mga idol. Standing 2-0 at ay standing mga idol.
Goes to the supply chain Dragons.
Okay, Jerry.
This game is back on 5. One more. Mudaog na yun yung supply chain Dragons.
Thank you sa mga nag-share sa itong live. At ang yun itong next game mga idol, championship mga idol sa men's volleyball. Supply chain versus Sun Pride. Shout out Grace, BB Grace Flores. Ayong gabi.
We are now entering the third set. Will this be the last set or move out back to Engineering Tigers? As we enter set 3, ang score is 2 against 0.
Wala pa, dapat ay dapat ay third set mga idol. Shout out Nick Angeli. Ayong gabi. Shout out Vanessa Luminario Fat Vanessa, shout out. Standing na ito mga idol, 2-0. Shout out Nick Angeli. Shout out to Nick Angeli.
Back to the ball game.
Shout out Little, go supply chain. Shout out Ma'am Yeng. Ayong gabi Ma'am Yeng.
Sabi na nagawin ng mga tao at sabi na mga fans eh. May pagkakataon sa supply chain Dragons. How about the Engineering Tigers? Start of the third set.
Okay, third set na ito mga idol.
Number 12. Calvo. Serving. Nice receive by Engineering. Italiano dengan Saroy na score. 1 point for Engineering Tigers.
1-0, habis sekarang.
Comendador. Serving. Saroy na receive. Short ang attack ni Pansera. Score 2 against 2. Listen daw, listen. Comendador. Serving. Nice serve. Receive by Saron. Saron with the attack. Nice attack by Saron. Score 1 against 2. Still in favor of Engineering Tigers. Mancera.
Good supply chain from Linville.
Nice receive by Engineering. Goes with the attack. Away. Bola. Score 2-all. Mancera again. Serving. Nice receive by Engineering Tigers. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Another chance ball for Engineering. Nice set. Nice attack by Arsenal. Score 3 against 2.
Score 3-2 in favor of Engineering.
Mendoza. Serving. Nice service. Nice drop. Nice receive by Engineering Tigers. Nice receive again. Saron the receive. Italiana. Enriquez the receive. Arsenal will be a trap.
Score 4-2
against 2 in favor of Engineering Tigers. Focus now, focus 29, Mendoza. Serving. Nice receive. Nice set. Double back with the attack. Nice receive again. Italiano with a set. Double back again with the attack. Nice receive. Attack. Mendoza. Out. Lamang bola. 4-3 against 4. Still in favor of
Score
Engineering Tigers.
4-3 in favor of Engineering Tigers.
Serving. Nice receive by. Nice attack. Saron. Possible chance ball for Engineering Tigers. Nice drop. Nice receive again. Nice set. Ilabang lang. Saron with the attack.
Score 3.
Padung sa CR. 4 Supply Chain Dragon. 4-all.
Score 4-all mga idol.
Serving.
Tabla to score 4. Score 5-4 in favor of Supply Chain.
Lead chain 5 against 4 in favor of Supply Chain Dragon. Serving. Nice receive.
Score 6-4.
Score 6 against 4. Italiano Gapon. Serving.
Score 7-4
Score 7 against 4.
in favor of Supply Chain.
Substitution
Dragons.
in Cartagena.
At ang inyo ang second game mga idol, Minsa Volleyball. Supply Chain versus Sun Pride. Fighting for champion. Score 8-4.
Still in favor of Supply Chain Dragon. Italiano. Nice receive by Engineering Tigers. Nice receive by Mancera. Saron with the attack. Chance ball by Supply Chain. Attack by Capordan. Nice receive by Engineering.
Score 5-8.
Score 5. Again.
Pabor sa Supply Chain. 8-5 ang score.
Supply Chain Dragon. Arsenal. Serving. Nice serve. Nice receive. Escaliero. Nabawi the attack. Arsenal to receive. Chance ball for supply chain. Nice set. Attack. Mark roll.
Score 8-6.
Score 6 against 8. Still in favor of supply chain dragons. Number 18, Arsenal. Serving. Nice serve. Nice receive. Serving.
8-7 at the score. In favor of supply chain.
Substitution. In Maglasang out Calvo. Arsenal. Serving. Nine. Serving.
Score 8 all. Tabla at score.
4-8 all. Arsenal again. Serving. Nice receive. Engineering with a set. The toes of the attack. Italiano. Saron with the attack. Nice receive. Nice set. Cartagena to the attack.
Inside.
Inside.
Okay, laban ng engineering 9-8 at the score.
9 against 8 in favor of engineering Tigers. Arsenal, yeah, going service. Nice service. Nice receive. Saron. Nice receive by engineering Tigers. Nice set by Italiano. Labawi na siya.
Score
Na short lang.
10-8 in favor of
Score again.
engineering.
10 against 8 in favor of engineering
Shout out
Tigers.
Jerel Torres, Pablo
Arsenal
Lara.
again.
Mayong gabi. First and second set, daog ang
Serving.
supply chain.
Away. Bola.
Score 10-9.
Score 9 against 10 to still in favor of engineering Tigers. Saron. Serving. Nice receive by Arsenal. Nice attack by Regan. Score.
11-9 at the
11
score.
against 9 in favor of engineering Tigers. The button. Serving. Nice serve. Nice receive. Set. Attack. Nice receive by engineering Tigers. Cartagena to the attack. Miscommunication.
Score 12.
Score
9.
for engineering Tigers. Time out. Supply Chain Dragons. Score 12 against 9.
At ang ito ang second game mga idol. Supply chain versus Sun Pride means volleyball.
Shout out kay Nick Angeli.
Back to the ball game.
Shout out kay Nick Angeli.
Score 12 against 9 in favor of engineering Tigers. The button. Serving. Nice serve. Received by engineering Tigers. Chance ball for supply chain. Italiano. Nabawi attack. Arsenal in the receive. Nice set. Nice attack. Chance ball for engineering. Set by Italiano. Attack by Rosera. But set on the receive guys. Italiano will set again. Still in favor of engineering Tigers.
Shout out daw Nick Angeli. Shout out daw niya sa ito pa.
Serving. Nice receive by Engineering Tigers. Chance ball for supply chain. Attack. Receive by Engineering. Nice set. Cartagena to the attack. Saro with the receive. Italiano again. Nice attack by supply chain. Nice receive by supply chain. Set. Attack. Engineering Tigers. Italiano again. Mascara. Receive by Cartagena. Nice set. Attack by Cartagena. The ball is still alive. Italiano set. Nice set. The ball is still alive. Lavao receive. Set. Lavao attack. Nice receive. Set. Cartagena to the attack. Engineering Tigers. 13 against 10.
Shoutout Mabel, Rosapa Mare. Watching from Barili, na taga Barili meron. Shoutout sa taga Barili dia, Mabel.
Thank you.
Palagay siya naman sa itong live, mga idol.
Score 11 against 13. Still in favor of Engineering Tigers. Lavao. Serving. Nice serve. Received by Cartagena. Mendoza with that trap. Nice receive. Kaporta with the receive. Nice block. Score 13 against 12. Still in favor of Engineering Tigers. Lavao.
13-12 at the score. Favor of Engineering. Score 13 all at the score. Tabla 13 atong score sa tuwang third set mga idol.
Lavao again.
Palagay siya naman sa atong live mga idol. Daghang salamat sa mga nagdala sa atong live.
Arsenal with the receive. Cartagena. Chance ball for supply chain. Italiano. Nice attack by supply chain. Received by Engineering Tigers. Another chance ball for supply chain. Italiano with the set. Mascara with the attack.
Score 14-13 in favor of Engineering.
13 against 13. Substitution. In Ochea. Out with Button. Cartagena. Serving. Reminder lang sa linya na balain ay kung nalapas, delivery malapas sa linya. Ang coach lang. Nice serve, kaportahan with the receive. Nice drop. Nice attack by the Tigers. Italiano. 1 point. 4-14 all.
Score 14 all.
Maglasa. Serving. Nice serve. Chance ball for supply chain. Attack by Salon. Nice receive by Engineering. Paring Leo with the receive. Mancero with the attack. Arsenal. Nice receive. Attack niya pa ni Arsenal. Salon with the attack. Enriquez with the receive.
Away.
Score 15 against 14. Maglasa. Serving. Nice receive. Chance ball for supply chain. That's it. Score
15 all.
15 all. Comendador. Serving. Nice receive by Supply Chain. Nice drop again.
Score 16-15.
Score 16 against 15 in favor of Supply Chain. Mancera. Serving. Nice serve. Nice receive. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Chance ball for Engineering.
Score 17-15.
Score 17 against 15 in favor of Supply Chain Dragons. Mancera. Serving. Cartagena to the sheet and goes over the set. Chance ball for Supply Chain. And Galliano. Sarol with attack. Away.
Score 17-16 in favor of Supply Chain.
Score 17 against 16. Still in favor of Supply Chain Dragons. Substitution in Galvez. Out to Comendador. Serving, nice serve, nice receive. Engineering, away.
Score 18-16.
Score 18 against 16 in favor of the Supply Chain Dragons. Vilcaliano. Serving. Nice receive by Cartagena. It goes to the attack. Sarol with the attack. Cartagena to receive. Vilcaliano with the set again. Caportan with the attack. Cartagena to the receive. Arsenal with the drop. Vilcaliano again. Nice receive by the Tigers. Set again. Sarol again. Nice receive by the Tigers. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Italiano. The ball is still alive. Italiano. Nice attack. Receive. Nice attack by the Portan. Then goes over the receive.
Score 19-16.
In favor of Supply Chain Dragons. Italiano. Serving. Nice receive. Engineering. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Italiano with a set. In favor of Supply Chain Dragons. Engineering Tigers. Score 20 against 16 in favor of Supply Chain Dragons.
Shout out Shailey Ocanya. May gabi niya. Ating score 20-16. Sa ato third set. First and second set, winner ang ato Supply Chain mga idol. 16-20 ating score na sa itong third set. Pa-like and share naman sa itong live mga idol. At ang inyo itong second game. Warehouse Supply Chain versus Sun Pride.
Italiano na po. Serving.
Score 21-16.
Score 21 against 16.
Second game na to means volleyball.
In Roquillo, out of prayer. In Italiano. Serving. Nice receive by Engineering. Another serving.
It score 22-16.
Score 22-16. In favor of Supply Chain Dragon. Nice serve. Score. Engineering Tigers. 17 against 22. Still in favor of Supply Chain Dragon.
Shiley Ocania.
Arsenal Real.
Shout out.
Serving. Montero Garcia, Italiano with a set. Nice attack by Sarol. Nice set by Engineering Tigers. Nice attack by Cartagena. Score 19 against 22.
Score 22-19.
Arsenal serving. Nice serve. Italiano again with a set. Nice receive by Engineering Tigers. Nice set. Cartagena with a draw.
Score 22-20. 19-22 the score. 19-22.
Arsenal serving. Nice receive.
Score 22-20 na 22. 22-20 at score.
Supply chain of Sunday timeout. Time check 8:57. Ang mga nakapod sa poste, 8:30. Substitution out. Parkland, Ikasyang in Labajo. Arsenal serving. Nice receive, Supply Chain. Chance ball for Engineering. Attack!
Score 23-20.
Sarol. Serving. Nice serving. Nice receive. Nice set. Nice attack by Engineering Tigers. Nice set again. Labaw with the attack. Nice receive. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Italiano with a set. Nice attack, Supply Chain. Chance ball for Supply Chain. Nice set. Nice attack. Engineering with the receive. Sarol with the receive. Nice set. Attack. Engineering Tigers. The receive by Supply Chain. Nice set. Attack. That's right. For Engineering Tigers, 23 against 21, still in favor of Supply Chain Dragon.
23-21 to score.
Rosillo serving. Nice serve. Nice receive. Nice set. Cartagena. Against 21 in favor of Supply Chain Dragon. Number 9, service not over. Score Engineering Tigers 22 against 24. Champion or set score. Enriquez the third. Nice receive. Engineering Tigers. Chance ball for supply chain. Nice set. Attack, nice receive. Kapordan with the receive. Supply chain, nice set. Attack by Montera, received by Cartagena. Attack by Cartagena. Nice receive by Coron. Ang bola buhi pa. Cartagena attack. Saron. Chance ball. Mendoza nice. Set. Nice receive by Coron. Nice set.
Game as usual.
So, 23 against 24.
23-24 at the score.
Supply Chain Dragons. Last time out for Supply Chain Dragons.
24-23 at the score.
24 against 23.
Labaw ang supply chain. Ito yung standard 2-0. 24-23 at the score. There is a third set mga idol. Shout out Maria Ida. Shout out Miss Mags Sakay.
No more timeouts for Supply Chain. Nice receive. Nice set. Attack by So, slide to 24 on.
24 all ang score.
Enriquez serving. Nice receive. Nice receive. Engineering Tigers with the attack. Mancera. Chance ball for Engineering Tigers. Cartagena. And number 4. So 25 against 24.
25-24 the score.
24. Labajo. Serving. Nice receive. Encallado. Mancera with attack.
Congrats supply chain mga idol. Daghang salamat sa mga tanaw sa itong live. Daghang po salamat sa mga like and share sa itong live no. At ang itong next game means volleyball supply chain against Sunpride. Congrats sa kapag sa engineering no. Nice game.
Crowd favorite, Paring Lee.